Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are making curry rice with our locally produced rice in Ghana. So I'm adding some little oil to my cooking pot. Now I'll add some onion, spring onion, and a little garlic. Now I've just added my bay leaves. I'll give it a very quick stir, and I'll be adding my all-purpose spice, turmeric powder, some salt, and I'll continuously stir for a minute. Then afterwards, I'll just add some water. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. My turmeric was little, so I just had to add some so that the yellow color will come. I will be adding a little of curry powder too, and this will give it a very nice flavor. So adding all, I will just stir, cover it to boil. When it starts boiling, I'll add my washed rice. This rice is produced in Ghana. So I'm just going to showcase how you can use our locally produced rice to make appetizing and attractive turmeric rice or curry rice. So now I have stirred the rice and I'm just covering it to boil. After some 10 minutes, I have opened and see how it is. I opened and I added water initially. So now my rice is cooked and it is time for me to serve it. But I will still cover it. When my stew is ready, then I'll serve it. So now my plate is here. See how beautiful this turmeric rice is. The taste is so super good. This is beautiful. And I know you do try it and come back to leave comments in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share. So I've just added some fish stew. I'll be uploading the recipe too. So check out on this channel. I'm now enjoying it with my children. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.